Hello, welcome to another video to solve a Rubik's Cube by various patterns. So today I'm going to show you to mix up this cube using last two from the left. So let's begin. So let's take a look at the bottom. So we have red color, green, orange. So this red is pointing towards this red in a clockwise direction. So like previous video, when we say the direction of this red is pointing towards this red in a clockwise, we should solve from this side. But when we take a look at this cube on the top, so this is a inverse, so we should solve on this side, the left side. And since this cube is on the top, so we should solve it using first two from the left. So let's begin. As you can see, Rubik's Cube has been solved. Thank you.